Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to download and install Facebook Messenger on Windows. At first go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type Microsoft Apps and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it, apps.microsoft.com. So here is the official website. Herein just type which software or app you want. I'll type Facebook Messenger. Press enter. Here it is, you can see Messenger, that means Facebook Messenger. Click on it. Click Get in Store app. Here and you can see directly click on Open Microsoft Store. Now minimize. Here and you can see it is owned by Meta, that is Facebook's new name, Facebook's new company. So this is the legal, so this is the actual provided by Facebook Messenger. Click on Get. At first it will download, then it will install. We have installed it. Click open. Now it will open. You need to log in from here using your Facebook account or with a phone or email ID. In a similar way, you do it on your desktop or mobile phone. Close it. If you want to open it again, go to Start. Type Facebook Messenger. Go to Start. Type Messenger. That's it. And click on Open. So the next time you are opening it, you can open it like this. Okay. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Facebook Messenger on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.